Hello foodies, it's your girl NK Jesuit. You're welcome to my kitchen. Today's video is delicious Nigerian corn pudding, Ukpo Oka recipe you will love. So today I am sharing my favorite way to make Ukpo Oka, also known as corn pudding. This is a traditional Nigerian dish made from fresh corn. I know a lot of people also like to use corn flour and freezing corn, but to get the best taste and flavor, I advise you always use fresh corn. It's savory, flavorful, and always a hit. I cook it, but you can also bake it if you prefer. In this recipe, I use tiny shrimp for extra flavor, but you can also use big shrimp if you like. I cook my pudding using an aluminium plate, but you can use aluminium foil, banana leaf, or plantain leaf. So let's get started. I will be listing out all of the ingredients that I use. You can also get the description in the description section below. The chopping board echoes with knives and braces. I dice hope and sprinkle grace. Simmering curries whisper ancient lore. In this culinary journey I explore. So remove the kernels from the fresh corn. From the fresh corn cob and blend them. You can blend it until smooth or blend it on low speed. If you prefer not to blend it smoothly, add a little water if needed to help blend the corn. Into a puree. So to mix the ingredients in a large bowl, combine the blended fresh corn with chopped onion, tiny shrimp or big shrimp, ground crayfish if using ground pepper, salt and seasoning cube. Stir in the palm oil to give that rich golden color and flavor. So like I have mentioned, to wrap or plate the mixture. I use aluminium plate for this recipe because here we don't normally get the wrapping leaf. So I use aluminium plate for this recipe, but you can wrap the corn mixture with aluminium foil, banana leaf, or plantain leaf. Wrap it tightly so it holds its shape while steaming.
nourishing souls where hunger is fed. Enjoy sweet kitchen, my canvas divine, where
Steam the corn
ingredients
pudding.
blend and
Place the
stories
wrap or
intertwine.
plated
From
corn
savory
mixture
stews to
into a
sugary
steamer
delights,
or
I serve
large
love
pot
on plates
with a
on the
steaming
starry nights. So here's to the kitchen, my
rack.
canvas divine,
Add the
where
water to
ingredients
the
blend
bottom
and
of the
stories
pot.
intertwine.
Cover
From
and
savory
steam
stews to
over
sugary
medium heat
delights,
for about
I serve
45
love on plates
minutes
under starry
to 1 hour until
nights. The
pudding
chopping
is
board cuts with knives and braces. I dice so
firm
and
and
sprinkle
cook
grace,
through.
simmering curries, whisper ancient lore. In this culinary journey I explore. The chopping board echoes with knives and braces. I dice so
So
and
once it's
sprinkle
ready,
grace, simmering
serve
curries, whisper
and
ancient
enjoy.
lore. In this
Let the
culinary
Ukpo Oka
journey
cool
I
slightly
explore.
before serving. You can enjoy it the way or the best way you love.
The chopping board echoes with knives
Let's
and
chat,
braces. I
guys.
dice hope
If
and sprinkle
you
grace,
try
simmering
out
curries,
this
whisper
recipe,
ancient lore. In
I
this
do love to
culinary
hear
journey I
what you
explore.
think.
Flour
Don't
dust my
forget to give
apron,
me
the
a
badge of
thumbs up,
pride. Tasting spoons
like,
become
comment,
my
and share
compass guide.
this
From farm to
recipe
fork, a
with your
pilgrimage I
friends and
tread.
family.
Nourishing souls
Drop
where
a comment
hunger is
if
fed.
you
From farm
use
to fork, a
different
pilgrimage I
trim
tread.
or a
Nourishing souls where
special
hunger is
wrap
fed. Nourishing
wrapping
souls where
method
hunger is
for
fed.
your okpoka. Thanks for
So
watching,
here's to the
guys, and see
kitchen,
you in my
badge
next
of
video.
pride. Tasting
Bye.
spoons become my compass guide. From farm to fork, a pilgrimage I tread. Nourishing souls where hunger is fed. Hunger is fed. Enjoy sweet kitchen, my canvas divine, where ingredients blend and stories intertwine. From savory stews to sugary delights, I serve love on plates under starry nights. So here's to the kitchen, my sacred abode, where ladles compose sonnets and pots explode. Enjoy sweet kitchen, my culinary hymn, cooking joy into existence with every simmer and glaze. In the heart of my kitchen, where flavors collide, I stir magic in pots where dreams reside. From sizzling pans to fragrant spices, I weave tales of taste, my culinary devices. Recipes dance on my fingertips as I whisk memories into each dish. The stove hums secrets, the oven sings. In this gastronomic symphony, my heart takes wings. Enjoy sweet kitchen, my canvas divine, where ingredients blend and stories intertwine. From savory stews to sugary delights, I serve love on plates under starry nights. The chopping board echoes with knives and braces. I dice hope and sprinkle grace. Simmering curries whisper ancient lore. In this culinary journey I explore. Flour dust my apron, a badge of pride. Tasting spoons become my compass guide. From farm to fork, a pilgrimage I tread. Nourishing souls where hunger is fed. Enjoy sweet kitchen, my canvas divine, where ingredients blend and stories intertwine. From savory stews to sugary delights, I serve love on plates under starry nights. So here's to the kitchen, my canvas divine, where ingredients blend and stories intertwine. From savory stews to sugary delights, I serve love on plates under starry nights. The chopping board cuts with knives and braces. I dice salt and sprinkle grace. Simmering curries whisper ancient lore. In this culinary journey I explore. The chopping board echoes with knives and braces. I dice salt and sprinkle grace. Simmering curries whisper ancient lore. In this culinary journey I explore.